Tonight in the NBA, we have 14 games, 28 teams in action, and we have cooked up a sleeper entry to turn $20 into over 2,000 to save Christmas. We absolutely need it. Of course, a reminder on Sleeper, if you are new, you should sign up using my code COS. You can tail the slip. You can get a free pick. You'll double your first deposit, and you'll get a free $20 entry. What are you waiting for? Code COS or the link in my bio. I'll be back later today with a ladder challenge play. And I'll be honest, I might just cook up a leg in every single game today. We never get 14 game slates. Let's have some fun. Let's try to save Christmas. And boom, there is my play. I'm not going to go through every single one of them. There's some overs, there's some unders in there, but I really love all of them, all researched, I love it. I don't know where we lose. Now, honestly, hitting a $20 into 2.3K is not going to be easy, but I think we got a chance. And if you want to tell me, you can do it on Sleeper, code COS, or the link in my bio. See you later today, where we find one leg in every single game. I'll see you guys then.